Just imagine being able to transform any still image into a talking character, or make any video appear as if people, animals, or even animated characters are singing and speaking with realistic voices. This is exactly what Video Lip Sync offers, where artificial intelligence meets creativity to deliver powerful, easy-to-use tools that turn every idea into lively, engaging content. Welcome to the world of Video Lip Sync, the revolutionary platform that empowers you to create stunning, fully integrated videos in a way never seen before. Whether you are a content creator, a digital innovation enthusiast, or simply someone looking for simple and effective tools to bring images and videos to life, you are about to experience something that will permanently change how you connect with your audience. But let's go deeper into how Video Lip Sync can become your true creative partner. Imagine yourself as a content creator, where every idea that crosses your mind can be transformed into a living video. Lips move naturally, expressions change, and characters come alive. Every image, every character, and every concept has the potential to become a complete visual experience that amazes your audience and leaves a lasting impression. The standout talking photo feature gives you full freedom to revive any image. Do you have an old family photo or a picture of a famous figure? You can now turn it into a video that speaks in your own words. This feature is not limited to humans. It also works with animals, cartoons, and even partial images, opening endless creative possibilities. You can make your pet dog sing a popular song, or transform an old cartoon image into a talking character that delivers advice or entertainment. As for AI image tools, they go far beyond simple text-to-image generation. They are your gateway to creating rich, instant visual content. Once an image is generated, a single click on the video button is enough to turn it into a perfectly lip-synced video. This seamless connection between image creation and video production offers a professional experience, allowing ideas that once lived only in your mind to become tangible, captivating content in just minutes. For creators aiming to reach a global audience, AI video tools provide the ability to translate videos and synchronize lip movements across multiple languages. Imagine producing a short video in one language and then sharing it worldwide while preserving natural lip sync and speech flow. This makes video lip sync an essential tool for e-commerce, digital marketing, and even multilingual short film production. What truly sets video lip sync apart is its simplicity and flexibility. You don't need to be a video or design professional. Everything is clear, intuitive, and supported by step-by-step guidance. All you need is your personal account to start exploring possibilities, experimenting with ideas, and transforming them into realistic, dynamic content at an impressive speed. Let's look at a practical example. You are a short-form content creator with a funny idea for a cartoon character talking about everyday life. In just a few minutes, you can upload the character's image, use the Talking Photo 4.0 model, customize the voice or script, and publish the video. The result? A lively, synchronized, and realistic video that captures attention and impresses viewers. Or take another example, a music video featuring your pet. With the Singing Animals feature, you can upload a photo of your dog or cat, choose the song you want, and generate an incredible video where the animal moves and sings naturally with the audio. These features unlock unlimited creative potential and help you produce unique content that truly stands out. In the end, Video Lip Sync is not just a tool, it is your partner in digital creativity. It combines the power of artificial intelligence with ease of use to deliver a complete content creation experience. Whether you're producing short entertainment clips, educational videos, marketing content, or personal artistic projects. All you have to do is explore the tools, discover the features, and let your imagination lead the way. Visit the platform now through the link in the description box, log in to add your credits, and experience all features without limits. Let Video Lip Sync be your gateway to unleashing your creativity and transforming any idea into vivid, realistic content that excites and amazes your audience.